This is the second part of this camera. In the previous video, I had reviewed all the features of this camera. What are the features in this camera? So I told about it one by one. In this video, I'm going to tell about its configuration, how you can configure it with its app V380. And along with that, I had told about the features in the previous video, how you can turn on all these features in its app. So about all these features in this video, I'm about to explain the process to you. First, after turning on the camera, you need to connect the camera's MVID to your phone by accessing Wi-Fi settings. After using a few megabytes, you will obtain the ID. Initially, you must connect it to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, proceed to open the V380 Pro application. Its interface will appear like this on your home screen. As soon as you launch it, I will guide you through the steps one by one. In the top corner, you will find the option to add a camera, but you need to click and scan the MVID, which is essentially the QR code located on the camera. After scanning, you will be presented with two options, real-time preview and add device only. You should select the real-time preview option. Then, an interface like this will appear. Subsequently, the option to activate the device will be displayed. Click on it, and your device will be activated. It was indeed a very straightforward process. So, you can see the camera has been configured. If you wish to set the camera to Wi-Fi station mode, you will be able to view it from anywhere, even from the other bell. Additionally, I will explain the method for enabling Wi-Fi station mode. First, click on the three dots, and when you select Settings, you will see the One Network option at the top. Below that, there is a Wi-Fi station mode option. Activate it and input your home router's Wi-Fi details here, along with its password, then click Save. Therefore, once your camera is in Wi-Fi station mode, you can view it from any location, whether you're in another country or a different state. You can observe it from that point. You see, the process to configure it was quite straightforward, and the features that were mentioned, as you can see, include a PT function located at the bottom. You have the ability to move from down, left, and right. There is also an option for taking a snapshot, followed by an option for recording within the Enter option. Additionally, in the More option, you will find the Alarm option available. By default, you have the ability to activate it directly from the app itself. Another feature is the control of light. You can also switch on the light. This can be done from within the app itself. There is a preset PTZ option available. In this section, I will explain what occurs with the preset PTZ option. You have positioned one camera facing a specific direction at a certain angle, and sometimes the light appears, and sometimes it disappears. When the light appears, the camera automatically rotates to a different direction. What this preset option will achieve is to provide you with position by position from a total of 6 different positions. You'll need to add it. Once it's added, regardless of the camera light coming or going, it will stay stable in the set position. This option applies to the remaining 6 positions. As you tap on plus, these positions will be added. So preset PTZ. After this, you'll have the motion detection option. As mentioned in the previous video, you can enable motion detection here. There's also the inversion option, the image setting option, and the PD classification feature. The camera rotates once in a full 360 degrees automatically, providing a complete view all around by itself. You will find all these features available within its app. Additionally, there are numerous features at the top, which I will demonstrate to you right now. Once you insert the SD card into it, this camera supports a 1128GB memory record. Furthermore, there is cloud storage available, so if you wish, you can purchase cloud storage as well, or alternatively, you can view the recording directly from the memory record. It offers 2 options. There is cloud storage available and recording happening, and then you will be able to access all these features within these settings. I have created a comprehensive, detailed video on V380. If you are interested in watching that, you can view that video by clicking on the I button. At the top side, you have the option to save this camera in STB. Tinactum is included in this camera, and within this app, you have V380 Pro. If you have 4 cameras online at the same time, You can view them all simultaneously, allowing you to adjust the screen to be wide or small. Therefore, you will have access to all these features. You will find it inside this app. When you configure this camera in V380 Pro app, and after making it widescreen, the same features as are seen on small screen, you will see them on D screen as well. So do tell me in the comment how you liked the video, and do watch the first part, because if you haven't seen the first part, then you will not understand the camera. So do tell me in the comment, and like, subscribe, and share the video.